Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing retirement in Thailand and the notion of testing the waters. Been talking to a lot of retirees here recently. A lot of folks have contacted us wanting to come to Thailand, looking to retire, but they're kind of like, I want to come there for a little while, see if it's what I want to do, and then make the final decision. That's a great idea. That's the best idea. Especially if you've never been here, you need to do that. I'm urging you to do that. You need to come here and see if you like it here. Look, from the outside, and honestly, especially if you're an older guy, this place is great. I love it here. If you can't tell, I gotta say I love it. It is beautiful. It's warm all the time. That's a big one. I like it being warm all the time. I don't have to have different kinds of clothes. Honestly, when I was a younger man and before my marrying years, there's women everywhere. They're great. They're real nice ladies, or nice gentlemen too. The people are nice is what I'm trying to say. The food's great. The cost of living is good. It's a great place to retire. And the retirement visa scheme is not overly onerous. It's pretty all right. Now, there's a lot of people, and I think it's kind of one of these sort of, if you want to call it spoiled for choice, or maybe you want to call it just being spoiled, where people get really sort of bent out of shape about very idiosyncratic kind of little problems. That said, there are, the immigration system associated with retirement visas isn't perfect. I'm not saying it is. I've commented on the flaws that I see on this channel frequently. That said, overall, retirement in Thailand is pretty darn good. But that said, it may not be good for everybody. Paradise for one man might be hell on wheels for another. So, it's one of those things that you're going to need to look at on a case-by-case basis. And yes, it is a good idea to come here to Thailand and possibly test the waters while you're here. Now, that said, if you really want to be here long-term, it may not be a bad idea to just start off in retirement visa. And if you decide you don't want to renew it, okay, but you've had the opportunity to get enough time in to really see whether or not you like the place. So again, for those who feel a little bit overwhelmed about this and you kind of wonder how to deal with the whole visa thing, may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.